Today I'm going to show you how to customize the contact page in Shopify. This is really useful if you want to make your contact form look more professional, add helpful information, or adjust the layout to better match your store's branding. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where all your store management tools are located. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Online Store. This section is where you can manage your theme, pages, and overall storefront appearance. It's the central hub for everything related to how your store looks to customers. Next, look for your current theme. You'll see it displayed prominently in this section, right beside the theme preview. Click on Edit Theme. This will take you into the theme editor where you can customize individual pages and sections of your store. Once you're in the theme editor, you'll notice the top of the screen shows which page you're currently editing. It will likely say Homepage by default. Click on Homepage and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on Pages, then select Contact. This switches your view to the contact page so you can start customizing it specifically. Now on the left side of the screen, you'll see all the sections currently on your contact page. Let's start by removing something you might not need. Click on the announcement bar section, and beside it, click the trash can icon to delete it. This cleans up the page and removes any distractions above your contact form. Next, click on the contact form section. Inside this section, click on Text. On the right side, you'll see options to edit the text content. You can change the wording if needed, adjust the alignment, or tweak the overall layout. Let's customize the typography to make it stand out. Find the preset dropdown under Typography and change it to Heading 1. This makes the text larger and more prominent, drawing attention to your contact form. Now click on the contact form itself on the left side. On the right side, you'll have options to adjust the width of the form and modify the padding. Play around with these settings to make sure the form looks clean and well spaced on your page. Proper padding ensures the form doesn't feel cramped or awkwardly positioned. You can also click on the Submit button within the contact form settings. This allows you to edit the text inside the button. Maybe you want it to say Send Message instead of just Submit to make it feel more personal and inviting. Now let's add an extra element to make the page more interactive. Click Add Block, and from the options, select Pop-up Link. Once it's added, drag it to position it just under the Submit button. This could be useful for linking to FAQs, a help center, or additional contact methods. Position it wherever it makes the most sense for your store layout. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, don't forget to click Save at the top of the screen. This ensures all your changes go live and your contact page looks exactly how you designed it. And that's it. You've successfully customized your contact page in Shopify to better fit your brand and improve the user experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.